Hi folks, this is Akash. Okay, so in this video, we'll be going to understand uh, perspective about this course. Okay, Upgrad course which I was talking about it. Okay, so we were stuck in the things. All right, we were stuck in the part. All right, we were stuck in this curriculum part itself. Like, I will just show you like how like upgrade is fooling the people and the things is rest of the parts. They don't join the course and the recommendation which I have taken I suffer a lot. Okay, all right. The marketing I will just show you. Okay, rest of the stuffs also you will be getting for free. Okay, for the just for the degree, don't do it. Okay, so, the in an industry, they are not mattering what the things is will be. Okay, all right. So I'll just show you the things how they have marketed the video. See, I will just show you like things. See, I will just refresh it. Yeah, just watch this video, folks. Be calmly and how they have marketed this particular in this video actually. So I will just show you like how the things is going to work, and this will be not like what they have told in this video. It is not like that. Okay, just see the video, and you will just see the how they have marketed this video particularly. Lot of marketing
As the
tactics.
number of years incremented in my experience column, there was a growing sense of fear. I asked myself, are my skills market relevant? This master's program was my step toward becoming a data scientist. It helped me earn credentials that mattered, and I was able to land a data scientist role in my organization. I developed an interest in data science when I was working as a reliability engineer for Boeing. The interesting use of data analytics in the field of aviation brought me to this master's program. I am now looking to apply my learnings to air.
See, this is a kind of a thing will be AI will be going to generate this particular thing, folks. Okay, like AI tools they are using, all right. And the thing is, which I can tell you that this is not a genuine, which I can say the curriculum wise, support wise, not at all recommended. Not at all recommended to take the course, even if you are beginner, even if you are professional. Not at all recommended. Why? Because I worked previously in an organization with an tech. Okay, so they had the same content, right? The content I was uh, teaching the students. All right. So first thing, first job which I did was a data science tutor. Tutor. I knew the content, how the end-to-end pipeline, how it will be going to work, and what are the things in an industry that will be working around it. Okay, so think this course is not at all recommended in terms of career services, in terms of placement support, in terms of maybe a curriculum wise, not at all recommended. After you register, no, so many salesperson will come to you and tell that take this course, we will offer you 1 lakh scholarship as well. Don't join the course as well, folks. Don't join for the course. At end of the day, you will be going to purchase, you will be at end of the day you will be suffering, right? So I will just see the video.
Craft data and venture into preventive maintenance, where we can predict the failure of parts before it actually happens. I had a clear end goal of earning a master's degree, and once I did that, I got to lead a new project at my current company where I was tasked with building a risk prediction model. Thanks to the learnings from this program, I could do that, and it helped the company formulate better risk management strategy.
Okay, so this is a thing kind of a tactics, the animation 3D and all they have used. Okay, so that there is a no quality content, which I can say quality content is not at all there, folks. Okay, don't join this company. I'll just post the how the things rest of the attacks also. I will do it. I will reveal it. What is the things is in and around is happening. Okay. So this is about the course. scams, which I can say like exposed something, I can say exposing the things. Okay, so what I will do is in the thumbnail, this kind of a things I will be exposing the things, and I will just making the thumbnail for so that it will reach to all of the learners. Okay, thank you, folks. This is a kind of a demo which I have to talk about, and this course cost is about like 6 lakhs, 7 lakhs. Not at all recommended. If for to become a data scientist, this kind of an investment, this much investment is not at all needed. Okay, so they are a profitable business. Okay, this is an attack. Whomever is telling this is not an attack, tell them how you are earning money. Okay, so Ronnie Screwwala, who is the founder of this company, he will be going to tell business tactic itself, folks. Okay, co-founder of this Upgrad is also making money making itself. They will not come to you and say, solve the problem here. Okay, no one will solve the problem here. We are there only to take your money. Okay, your career will be not able to satisfy whatever the value they are giving. Okay, that's it about this video, folks. Thank you.